Om Shanti. Hello, welcome to Journey of Spiritual Awareness. Myself Dr. Bhaskar. Today I am going to explore Kapalabhati Kriya. Kapalabhati is a simple yogic breathing technique. It has mentioned in some of the yogic text. Kapalabhati is a dynamic yogic breathing exercise. So let's understand the meaning of Kapalabhati. Kapala in the sense skull, Bhati in the sense shining. It's called frontal brain cleansing technique. So what happened when you do Kapalabhati? Frontal brain get into the cleanse completely. So why frontal brain will cleanse? The reason is, so you have a samskara. Samskara in the sense it is a memory. In the Western psychology, they are calling subconscious mind. It is nothing but memory. So whatever you do action, it is become a samskara. It is become a habituated process. It might be a good habituated process or it might be a bad habituated process. So what happened? What are the bad habituated process? Anger, greed, jealous and lust. These are all the things called negative process. It is called body conscious process. So we have huge impression on the subconscious mind. So when you do Kapalabhati, what happened? It will going to cleanse your frontal brain. So I would like to say this, not only the physical body as well as our soul also get into the shining. So first you will have to set up the space is very important. So what happened? You better to choose the open space when you are doing Kapalabhati. The reason is, so when you do inside the room, what happened? There is a huge carbon dioxide inside the room. Especially we are doing Kapalabhati for the cleansing process. When you do Kapalabhati, our carbon dioxide will come out. So when the carbon dioxide is coming out, so what happened? You may get headache when you are doing inside the room. So better to choose the place which is, so you should not disturb from the outside environment. So that is, I would recommend open space is very good, so that you will experience more. So let us go get into the Kapalabhati. First what you have to do? Sit in quiet place. You can choose any meditative posture, Sukhasana, Vajrasana or Padmasana. So these are the meditative posture. You pick up any posture. Okay. First what you have to do? We have to observe the whole body as well as the breathing, how breathing pattern is happening. First, hand should be open completely, back should be straight, neck should be in a straight line. Eyes should be closed and smile on the face. And become aware of the breath, which is incoming and outgoing breath. When you are inhaling, what happened? Your abdominal will bulge up. As you exhale, it will be contracted. So we will observe 1 or 2 deep breathing. So after that, we will get into the Kapalabhati technique. So let's start. First what you have to do? We have to do Chin Mudra from the right hand, and from the left hand, close your all the fingers and place it on the abdomen. And 2 times take deep breath. Exhale. Breathe in. Out, and we will start the Kapalabhati. Per minute only 30 strokes, not more than that. Kapalabhati, forceful exhalation and passive inhalation. So your intention should be forceful exhale. Inhalation naturally happen, you no need to take inhalation. Okay, we will start with the Kapalabhati. When you exhale, what happened? Your abdomen muscles will go inside. This is 1 stroke, 2 stroke, 3. This is called stroke, up to the 30 strokes. Last breath should be forceful exhale, and we have to observe the changes. So what happened? After the Kapalabhati, your breath will going to stop. That is called suspension of the breath. Means there is no inhalation, no exhalation. Kevala Kumbhaka. And observe the sensation. What are the changes are happening in physically and mentally. According to my experience, that suspension of the breath, in the sense your breath will going to stop after the Kapalabhati. So that is, I would like to call, that is soul conscious stage. Means you will be completely, you will be in the stillness. It means it is just we are coming out of the physical body, you will feel completely lightness. That is called soul conscious stage. Kapalabhati should be practiced very slow and gentle way. It should not be very fast. So what happened? In a minute we are getting total thoughts 18 to 24 thoughts. So when you do it Kapalabhati more and more, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, what happened? Your thoughts increase more and more. Based on my observation I am telling, because most of the people haven't addressed these problems. Because many people are recommending half an hour, 15 minutes, you should not practice. So what happened? When you do it more and more, you will aggravate more. You may get into the more anger. So what happened? Anger is nothing but speed of thoughts. You have to reduce it. So that I would like to recommend, do it very slowly and medium way, not very fast. Kapalabhati should be practiced early morning, not in the evening. If you practice in the evening, you may not get sleep, since it is a dynamic yogic breathing technique. So I would like to recommend you to practice early morning. And benefits. Oxygenated blood will supply to each and every organs, and especially those having eye problems, it will be healed and increase the eyesight, and to reduce the abdominal fat. Any digestive disorders, constipation can be cured through the Kapalabhati. There are lots of benefits are there. And contraindication, so those having a medical condition like hypertension, heart problem, epilepsy, those people should not practice. This was the Kapalabhati. For more information, keep watching my videos and subscribe, so that you will get more information in the future videos. Thank you. Om Shanti.